Monsoon brings the plains that have farmers grow crop, and it also builds lakes and rivers. Let's welcome winter. The air is so cold. The night feels so good. But the hot chocolate feels so great. The winter season starts in December and ends in February. It is the coldest season in the year. The nights are loud and cold. Winter seasons also have for festivals like Christmas, New Year, and Sankranti. To keep ourselves warm, we wear woolen clothes, scarves, gloves, and umbrellas. We will enjoy drinking hot drinks like soup and hot chocolate. In some places, it snows. We can enjoy the sky, apple, orange, guava, strawberry, and grapes. We eat vegetables, peas, carrots, and carrots. I love winter. Santa will bring yesterday Christmas. Winter is good and brings a dark Christmas. It also cools us and gives us a fun winter. Let's welcome summer. Summer is the hottest season in the year. It starts in April, ends in June. During summer, the days are long, the nights are short. We enjoy drinking fresh juice, coconut water, and eating ice cream. We enjoy a holiday. We wear hats, sunglasses, and cotton dress to stay cool. We enjoy our holidays and with our grandparents too. I love the summer season because I can go to the beach. We get to try mangoes, which is the king of fruits. We can also enjoy lychees and watermelons. Summer brings warm weather, perfect playing and swimming. Thank you.
It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. Let's go to the beach and play with tambourine. Get some pictures taken, go to come and see. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer, summertime. It's summer, summer, summertime, summer,
food to eat. Without seasons, life on earth wouldn't be lively and